Forget everything you know about cooking outdoors. Most people settle for dry food in the wild. But today we're going primal. A hole in the ground, a roaring fire, and 6 gourmet grilled sandwiches that will redefine your forest experience. The foundation of a legendary crust is the infusion. Fresh garlic, crushed in the virgin olive oil. Honey mustard for gold. Sun-dried tomato oil for fire. Zesty lime for herbal punch. These are our liquid chills. Before we build, we prep. Flaky tuna meets rich mayo and sharp red onion. This has to be creamy to survive the heat. Number 1, the sea melt. Mayo inside for moisture. Double Gouda to lock it in. Tuna with onions and mayo. The honey mustard on the crust will react with the embers for a sticky charred finish. Salmon sandwich. We are using lime infusion oil inside and out. Feta cheese. The heat from the pit will steam salmon until it's buttery. A bit lime. Number 3. Rosso pesto punch. Tomato infusion outside. And tomato anchovies pesto outside. Gouda cheese. Sun-dried tomatoes. And parsley. Tomato pesto inside, intense sun-dried tomato oil outside. It hits like freight train, Mediterranean soul forged in the smoke. Number 4, emerald melt. A bit oregano. Lime-Oregano infusion outside. Sea-green pesto inside. Mozzarella. And black olives. And fresh basil leaves. Watch the stretch on this volcano. Number 5, the sweet rebellion. The honey mustard infusion outside. Honey mustard inside to balance the crisp apple and sharp feta. The fire melts the apple right into the cheese. Devastatingly good. The finisher. Tomato oil on both sides to trap the mountain of fresh herbs and lime. Gouda cheese. Once the smoke hits, the scent is intoxicating. This is ultimate for a snack. Feta cheese and lime juice. That honey mustard crust. And cheese. And this creamy tuna. It's perfectly balanced. Oozing cheese. That's what I love. The salmon is like butter. The lime cuts right through the smoke. Pure elegance in the wild. This is an explosion. Salty, smoky, and deep. This hits like a freight train. Mozzarella. It's ultimate cheese trophy. It's like eating a whole forest garden, but forged in fire. The apple just melted into the feta. Absolutely fresh. If you don't like boring recipes, I'll find something unique for you. Bye bye.